Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your heart sounds on a WITHINGS BPM Core. Okay, so in order to do it, you should go to the app, of course, and find heart sounds. And in order to be able to check it, you need to have at least done ECG 5 times, but I actually needed to do it 6 times because one of the measurements was inconclusive. So let's go here, and now you can see I have like different measurements. You can see one of them is inconclusive. I think I just messed it up, but yeah, now you can find different heart sounds for different measurements, right? And the status is shown after at least 5 conclusive measurements. You can play the sound, actually. It'll just play out loud. So yeah, you can see that I have normal, so it doesn't show signs of valvular heart disease. And there's like, you can see the day, right? The month and stuff like that. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.